In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a room in RICOH Spaces, and there are a couple of different ways to do that. Firstly, we can use the floor plan, or we can use the room schedule so that we can see all the meeting rooms available. I'm currently using the 3D floor plan in RICOH Spaces, so I have the ability to manipulate it, zoom in, and I can see all of the available facilities, all of the banks of desks, and I can see the desk over here that I have got booked for this date. I'm going to select a meeting room that I want to book out. So I will choose Custard Factory here. These are named after different Birmingham landmarks. And I will book it from 9 o'clock until 10 o'clock. Now to select it from 10 o'clock, I actually choose 9:45 because that is the duration. It will end at 10 o'clock. So you can see down here at the bottom, that's the way to check, 9 till 10. Now when selecting this meeting room, I can see that it's for 4 people. I can see the name of it in the system, and I can check the information about this room so I can see any amenities that it has as well, like display, wheelchair access, Wi-Fi. If I want to, I can also select this star icon so that I can favorite this room for future use. I'm happy with this time slot. I'll select 9 till 10. And upon selecting it, this pop-up will appear and I can fill in the rest of the information for the event that I'm creating. So I will just put in test meeting. I confirm that I want it to be on 15th from 9 till 10, but if I wanted to, I could change those times here. I could make it 11 if I wanted to. So I'll change that back to 10 o'clock, or you can make it an all day thing. If you want this to repeat, you can select when you want it to repeat and how many occurrences that you want. Moving down, we will select any attendees that we want. So obviously I'm included in this as the host, and then I can add in Microsoft Teams conferencing. We also have Google Workspace conferencing available if you are a user of Google Workspace. Finally, I can double check the room, and if available, I can add in any catering or equipment requests. Lastly, I can put in any detail or information about the meeting. This is a meeting about tests, and then I will create my event. So when booking a room in RICOH Spaces, what you're essentially doing is you are creating a meeting event and you are assigning that room to the meeting. My event's now been created, so my meeting's been created. I will close that. So now we can see here on the left, 9 until 10 o'clock, that room is now booked. If I go into the room schedule, I can now see that I have that room, Custard Factory, booked up until 10 o'clock. Similarly, I can make a booking directly from the schedule, so I can click here, and I can enter a meeting name, so I'll do test 2. I can check, it will automatically do a half an hour increment, so 10 till 10:30. I might change that to 10:45, make it a 45-minute slot, and then I will add Microsoft Teams conferencing to this meeting so I can have any remote attendees join the meeting if they want to. Again, double check any details, any catering or equipment, and if I'm happy, I'll create that event. And our event is now created in the system. Again, I'll close that. Making this booking will synchronize with your calendar as well. So if you're an M365 user, it will show up in Teams and in Outlook. And if you're a Google user, then it should show up in your Google Calendar. Another way to quickly find rooms is by using the button at the top of the floor plan, and that will list out all of the available rooms in your space. Of course, you can add or remove any favorite rooms that you want, and you should be able to change your location as well. This is a really easy way to find all of the available rooms in your location and be able to book them directly from the floor plan. And that is a quick how-to video on booking your meeting rooms in RICOH Spaces.